COVID-19 presented numerous challenges for regulatory agencies. These included maintaining effective regulatory surveillance during global lockdown and ensuring that regulatory reviews were carried out rapidly but without any compromise on their rigour and depth. International agencies took different approaches to these challenges, but we achieved the desired outcomes. Inspectorates created and refined alternative ways to perform GXP inspections using remote digital tools, revised protocols for on-site visits, and extensive sharing of information between trusted partners. With our learning from the past year, maybe some of these techniques will remain part of the toolkit that both industry and regulators can take with us into the future. Before the pandemic, nobody would have thought it possible that new vaccines and therapeutics could be developed, approved and tested within a year. A phenomenal effort from industry and academia, together with adaptive regulatory approaches, have given the world a greater chance of bringing the pandemic to an end. Again, different approaches have been used by regulatory agencies, but with a common purpose. Approaches such as focusing resources, early engagement with industry and review of filings in parallel with development have enabled regulators to perform a rigorous, independent assessment of quality, safety and efficacy data in the shortest possible time. Join me, colleagues from other international agencies and senior industry leaders at the 2021 ISPE Global Pharmaceutical Regulatory Summit and Asia Pacific Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Conference to hear more.